Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of October. And as you know, they are general readings, they may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. So in that case, check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's get started, Librans. Let's see what's there for you. Why are the cards falling out, Librans? Okay, wow, starting with the beautiful card, we have the Sun, Five of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, the Five of Wands, the Nine of Cups, Eight of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups. Both of them had even flipped out when the cards were flying out. The Ten of Swords, the Three of Cups, the Ten of Wands, and the Wheel of Fortune. Beautiful. Followed by the Ten of Cups. I just felt like taking one more. Okay. So let's see what are the messages from this deck for Librans. Okay, Nine of Hearts. Guidance from the angels. Okay. Choose freedom is your guidance from the angels. So to start with, what I am feeling here is that Librans, there was something which was giving you a lot of happiness basically. Okay, so there was something which was bringing happiness in your life and a lot of passion also. Okay, there was something which was giving you happiness, a lot of passion, something to look forward to sort of, and you felt authority in that situation actually. You felt that you have it. Okay, you felt victorious in that you felt that authority, you felt victorious in that situation because you've had that sense of achievement actually. Okay, you had that sense of achievement in this situation, but then something happened with the Five of Pentacles. There has something happened over here that things have fallen apart. Your happiness, your something has ruined this happiness basically. Okay, something has definitely ruined this happiness, whatever it is, and maybe it has come suddenly also, and you are feeling ignored now, and you are feeling you are not in a very good shape. You are feeling bad, you are feeling ignored, sort of rejected in this situation. So you're not getting that happiness basically now. That's what I'm trying to say. You are not happy now, and here with the Page of Swords, you want a new beginning, you want to move in a new direction. And with the Five of Wands, what I feel here is there is some sort of a confusion going on in your head as to how to solve it perhaps. Or maybe this was a small argument or something which has happened which has sort of changed this happy situation of your life. So maybe it was this at that point in time which has caused this loss of happiness, or maybe you are being confused as to how to approach it because you want a new beginning. Because here with the Nine of Cups, you see this as your wish fulfillment. You want it, you want this happiness. Okay, so and you, this is what you want, this new beginning towards this wish fulfillment. I see this is a small energy or a small uh, maybe some disagreement sort of a thing. It's in your head perhaps that now set things properly, or how to get back on track, or how to achieve this happiness once again, how what to do. Maybe it is something which is going on in your head, how to bring back that happiness in your life. That's what you want. Okay, okay, because it's not there now, and for that maybe it is a confusion which is going on in your head. Or actually, if you start a new beginning or approach that person, maybe then there is some, obviously there will be some discussion or something of that sort. No, it's not a big fight, but then obviously the person has something to say, so maybe it's talking about that, but it's not that huge. Okay, and here with the Nine of Cups, you see this person as a wish fulfillment, and perhaps you are ready to put your effort into it, because here with the Eight of Wands, there is a lot of communication starting over here. With the Seven of Pentacles and the Knight of Cups, what I see here is there is a lot of communication over here, and you are able to build some sort of stability in this situation now. You are working hard to build up this relationship now, and then once you are able to do that hard work which is required to align this back, what you see is your happiness. Here you are ready to move ahead in a particular direction to offer this love of yours. Okay, so that's what you start maybe this is what you are thinking as to how to communicate with this person. That is what is going on in your head. You have the idea, you have understood that this, you want a new beginning with this person to bring back this happiness, because you view them as their wish fulfillment, and this is what you are thinking as to how to go about, what to say, what not to say. And once you are able to solve it, you are able to align your thoughts and communicate what you want to communicate to that person. You do that work, invest in that, and then you are opening up emotionally, or you are offering them your love or something, whatever your feelings, you're opening up sort of. And here with the Ten of Swords, Three of Cups and the Ten of Wands, what I see is 10 are completions also. So maybe this is something which is now done. This was something which was sort of hurting you deeply, it was causing you a lot of pain, so you are moving in towards your happiness. And here I see this is perhaps you are reconciling with this person. You are able to overcome this negativity with that pain by offering these emotions of yours. By opening up, you are able to overcome this pain of yours, and here you are able to reconcile with this person and spend that happy time with this person. And here with the Ten of Wands, this is you are unburdening yourself for the burden which you have. You know that something has happened over here which has sort of now, which is stolen your happiness, or something, your happiness is being denied over here for some reason, and you want to put it on the track back once again. So you are just thinking as to how to communicate, what to do, what to say, and then there's a lot of communication over here. You are communicating it, so you're able to make a decision over here as to what to do in this situation, because this is your wish fulfillment. And once you do that, you invest in it, you move forward in that direction, you are unburdening yourself by reconciling, and you are getting rid of this pain also, because after the Ten of Swords you have this reconciliation card, or the happy card, celebrating card. So you are able to get rid of this pain which you are feeling deep within you, and you are having those happy times. And once you are able to get that positive answer or get reconciliation, you feel unburdened now, you feel happy now, you are done with that pain, you have overcome it, and now you have the Wheel of Fortune followed by the Ten of Cups. So definitely things are changing for the better, things are changing towards commitment, towards happiness, stability, long-term commitment, whatever it you want in this relationship, you are getting it. And here with the Nine of Hearts, maybe there was some emotional excess over here, there was excess of something, maybe there was some sort of selfishness also. So it talks about selfishness. Okay, maybe you were thinking too much about yourself, and maybe you were being selfish in some way or the other, and that is why this other person withdrew, and then they, as soon as they withdrew, you felt ignored and rejected. Okay, and your happiness has gone. Okay, so it may be because you've acted selfish in some way, shape or form. And here with the number 15 or number 6 may be of some significance for you. Choose freedom. Sometimes you may feel as though your way is blocked, but often that is an illusion. You should free yourself from the obstacles that you are so focused on by choosing a different path. Turn your thoughts away from negativity and instead envision endless other possibilities you might act upon. So basically, if you are feeling that you can't how to communicate and what to say, what not to say, how to solve it, if I talk, then this person will say this to me, that to me. So you have to choose freedom. You have to understand that whatever will happen. But if you want it, you have to think of a way out, and you are doing that so that you are able to change the things and you are able to achieve that happiness. Because just see, it started with the sun, ending with the ten of cups and the wheel of fortune. So definitely you are able to complete that cycle and achieve that happiness once again, Libran. So beautiful energy. I think you're doing a good, wise job, I should say. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.